What just happened? What just happened?
Well, this is Etho here. We just beat the game. We just went ahead and didn't take a bathroom break and killed Dragon.
You're kidding me. Let me grab chicken and eat in celebration. I'm so surprised. Kurt, are you here?
Yes, I am here. I am down here enchanting something after I just killed the dragon with Etho.
And guess who's alive and didn't actually die?
It is me, Doc M77. I am here with Etho in the end, and I helped kill the dragon. The dragon, I hit the last shot into the dragon and kill it.
You're kidding me. I can't believe you were able to pull that off. Kurt, they did it without us.
Yes, that is
Yeah, that's okay. I'm okay with that because at least we won. Great job, guys. Wow, Etho, great job.
Thanks a lot, man. I tried my best. I knew I was great at this game and I'd never lose. I'm the best at PvP ever.
And Doc, you didn't die. How did you pull it off?
Well,
oh, there, you're back, Etho. Wow, great.
Yes, I'm back.
Doc, how did you do it?
Well, I just faked that I was dead. I typed in the death screen and that was it. Okay, bye.